Young life without no fear. And if me go away, tell my fans them no cry, no tear. My legacy will never die, I swear. Never ball already, I'm a devil now.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Oh my god, it's been ages. I am so sorry, my YouTube fam. I have been so busy and really and truly giving my time and energy to Instagram and TikTok. So please follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I think I'm Disciple Kim on TikTok and Disciple of Christ _ between all those words on Instagram. So those things have been getting my time. Plus I have been extremely busy driving. Well, my husband's driving, but I'm still watching the road. I have been extremely busy with so many things that I haven't had the time to go anywhere where I could just vlog. So welcome back. It's been a while. I promised to be, what's that word, consistent here as of this video. So if you're new to this channel, please remember to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Become a part of the Todd family over here. So well, once you see this kind of a video, you know I'm just going to the river. I'm sorry, you people must know me by now. So I'm going to the river. I am sick, so it's either the river or the beach. I'm not even sure as it. Let me just put that out there. I am sick. I have the flu. Yeah, but I'm going. It's the holidays and I really don't want to miss out on this free time, and I want to go to the river. Baby, say hello. All right, so leaving my house now. We're going down to pick up the rest of the fam. It's a family outing today. So that's Vicky, that's Keela, that's Kiki, hopefully Jordan, and Jordan's girlfriend. So, and of course Beb. So we are out and stunting. So come along with me. Can we talk about, I don't even know how long it's been, but can we talk about how my skin is skinny? It's not fully there yet, but let us talk about it. My skin is skinny. That sounds funny, but either way, it's skinny. It's getting there, right? It's getting there. The Ordinary, big up to The Ordinary, always has my face glowing, getting ready to be. But yeah, come along for the journey. Okay, so we're back. We have all the children in the car. So we have Vicky, we have Akila at the back, and we have Kiki. I don't know why everybody's hiding. They're gonna be in anyways. I don't know. Kila is in her feelings. Watch out. Let me know when you try to catch this up. But you can't catch. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go to the beach instead because we're trying to save daylight because it's quite a bit late. So we want daytime sunlight. Watch out. Sun angle. No sun. Yeah. Like that was just so white. So we're trying to catch daytime hours. Yeah. So
there's a bun in the ring, sha la la la. There's a bun in the ring, sha la la la. There's a bun in the ring, sha la la la. There's a bun in the ring, sha la 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 la. Once on the morning, my car market, my buy honey and tomato and jolly. Come for no rice, the pound no saltfish. I'm at the coming, I'm out some bullshit. I'm a run for Susan, I'm a run for no more one. Opening the must go to dark. Jelly with jam, I'm a feel for you. Look at you in the touch of you. You don't want to love me. Wrong something you can eat and I'm like that chip it like a chill. I'm a fool like a lord. Road on the door, me I look you. Take the dance, Lord, I lost it. Call my boom busting. She can do about the 24 upstick. Gun down, she move pa mic. She talking about the 24 upstick. 1, 2, 3, green light, you pass naman na bright light. So, so when you tight, na tight, na like. Bright, misty, ni my type. From the first sight, me no waste time. Kasi when I text, hello, tarang bright. Feel second, I run pa my mind. Anything in life, and you did it done right. So, me morning, Maria market. So, tan mo meet, I'ma stop calling. Hands on my beard, do you want all this? You want coming on me house and bullshit. I'ma get the girl run the fun. So the girl run the fun. Yeah, the pink and still in the button. Me worrying 5 bills can't pay your ring bill. King pan mo dala child the and feel who send the running send my boss ko dun ling. Ay yeah, dama. Keep my cause on and up to till up when you do love a great. Yeah, call yourself keep them up in the sky in the great. Yeah, call yourself in bar girl think that you're urgent. What?
Ooh, Sassy! Your favorite idiot. What are you doing with that box? Miss, you're going to the beach. Do you think you're going to be making sandcastles with the box?
Collecting sand. She has 3 new kitties.
Oh, well, stop shit up your place. You don't know how mommy authorized that.
And I'm a room, so you can't.
Mommy, they're crossing Vicky. Mommy, no say put them there.
Just because you know.
Kila! Dame ese, te acabo de decir Kila. Come then, come, cuz. Akila, baby. Who?
Come walk.
No, we're a family.
Actually, I'm going to wash on top.
Who?
Just up to your basket.
Okay. Stop behaving, Mr. Bernice, please. Make them bush style here and come and face it back. Hey, me can't bring them and go anywhere because what is this? Watch here. Killer, it's on them. Look. Me just want to hold your hand. Look it up on them. Wait, me I turn it to show them. And there's Beb. So I think we're at Flavors now. We're gonna get a white people. What's wrong with me? We're gonna get a few pictures. We're gonna do the TikTok. The one that says I work all day but I feel so calm. We can't stand for him sitting here and not go so far. Like what would a normal go with us? Yes, Kiki. Wow. What causes that though? You ever wonder?
Global warming.
Global warming, would that make it rise?
Well, that makes sense that we don't global warming.
No. It means perhaps them create more space somewhere, so it fill up somewhere else. So yeah guys, we're at the beach. I'm so glad that girl, just come, let's stand like this. See one hole this, see one hole up over there. So
yes, over there.
yeah. This is perfect for my calma because it's clear. Guys, can you tell that the gym is working? Like, we better talk it still much. Yes. I have $500 and I'm gonna see what this $500 gets me. Okay, guys. Put in ever. So we're gonna take some pictures and then we're gonna enjoy the water. Beautiful day to be at the beach. Like Kiki, we just create mini-me's, you know. We have created mini-me's. So they love phone. They love picture. Take me picture. Chantel, take me picture.
Listen.
DP video. Shante. Me say, over picture you take. Start over, Vicky.
I see him come. I'm see him find the phone for Shante. If I for Shante and this which come out the wall, I'm say, "Over picture ya take." I don't know what I said. I don't time just let the girl.
Vicky, put the camera. Video me, Vicky. Stay right this one. Keep it that way.
Look at my toes.
Yeah, so whole man down there so they watch me.
Look at my toes, guys.
You like?
You look up there, pretty like mother. You want duck nails?
No,
honey,
no
I
duck
don't do
nails.
no duck nails.
So I asked you what duck nails, Vicky, not nails. Whoa, Vicky! The one that come. I'm looking at my back. Woo! Guys, you seen this? That's all the gel and products on my hair. Ew! Huh. That tastes so bad. I'm not even kidding you. You hope it gone. But guys, I'm at the beach. Where are you? Work? It's Friday. You gonna catch me. Oh, guys, my ear dirty here. I'm gonna wash it. Come beach or river. When you really want to go river, but sometimes I have to take a feel like salt water. But mighty God, literally God.
Hola, como estás?
I saw the place. The water is salty.
Get it to see what?
No Vicky like this. They pass it me. Watch the money up show.
Don't drop it! Don't drop!
Vicky, are you? I'll let you make you water carry. You never move no way. Oh, you already have video. Woo. We don't move.
Here don't see you is ghetto. She from the ghetto.
Black over this. You are just shooting. Yeah, that's a gun, you bad man. Yeah, move. Yeah, move.
No, I wasn't.
Move on, my eyes to see you. Watch out. We not come out with this ring.
sun's
What
back,
about the table
guys.
looking nice?
That damn spot.
Guys, I can't see my eyes red. So I can't ever go for the sickness and make a thing.
Hold your vlog, man. Oh my gosh.
Look at those two bonding. Brother and sister time. Look at them. Watch them. They don't come out of the water. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Favorite idiot. Papi 1 and Papi 2. Grass. Lord, seaweed. Oh, Lord. That's a cranny man. Uh-oh. Watch progress. I say you always a trying a life and you have, look, bad mind haters. But I see your progress wash away. Boy, babe, me say, me don't remember the salt water being so salt.
That's iPhone. I put on the video because you can't get it.
Can't catch it fast.
Then I say,
You can't swim. What to swim? See them, I see me just swim. I'm nearly dead.
move from point A to point B. You can't try.
Me know the fact that me don't know the name, so me don't know.
When you stay above the water.
No? You know, see a shallow water, me they try swim and still a sing.
Watch out the treatment out here. That big
Yeah, me.
white. Oh, one night treatment that drop in your eye.
I know that man, I start, I never, I start water start bad.
Wow.
No, kick it like it.
Come
Family
drop in
taste.
my eye.
Come, babe.
What now?
My time. Pedicure,
You don't mind
manicure.
it.
Come, you're still with.
What?
Sorry, Vicky. You want me to
Come
go
on, right to clean and put your nasty.
Lap on the mouth. Look at
Nah, go with
it.
it.
See exactly, look at the ocean big.
Look what Vicky is over here.
You never shit in the water.
Oh, my glasses then. Vicky, where did my glasses? Oh. Come on, babe. Oh, wait, Vicky, Vicky, come back. Guys, my battery died. Oh my god, I am terrible at this. But we left the beach. We went to Burger King. So yeah. It's so dark, hold on. We went to Burger King. We're gonna go home now. Let me not even have it by you, miss. Oh. So yeah. So that was just a day at the beach, and that's the end of the video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the fam, keeping up with me. So until I see you again, bye guys. Say bye.